Hi all, it is Friday, January 18th, around 4:30 p.m. Arizona time, and I'm just posting my second video note of the semester. I've now caught up officially on grading your first two due dates for the course, due date 1 and 2, and I just wanted to share some just feedback and just thoughts and observations I've gathered from the beginning here. So first off, your desktops are amazingly organized. I have a lot to learn from all of you. I am not zero inbox, a lot of tabs open, but I really appreciate your organization there. It seems like we have a lot of dog and cat lovers in the course, and that there seems also to be an even split between quiet space workers and noisy space workers, if you will, in cafes and so on. I'll share an analysis of the majors that we have, lots of variety there as well, and that will help us transition a little bit later into the second major project of the course. Again, just want to reiterate that I'm here to support you, so keep emailing, keep posting whenever you have questions or unsure about something. So I want to make sure everything is as clear as possible. Let's see, what else do we have here? Also, there are quite a few homework items and tasks, and I am human, so if I miss something or don't give you the correct credit, just let me know and I'll correct that. Let's see. Also, as far as the homework items, if you miss one here or there, it shouldn't be a deal breaker for your success in the course, but they're intended as scaffolds. They build up to whatever is the larger project that we're working on. So there is an impact, positive or negative, between the homework items and the larger projects. Okay, I think that's it. As far as from due date 2, let's see here. One thing I noticed was with regards to audience, when you were doing looking at audience and purpose for the different deliverables in the job application packet, while some of you said primary, secondary, tertiary, what I was really looking for were the specific audiences that for those actual documents that you're producing. Everything that a human writes or communicates can have a primary audience, will have a primary audience, potentially secondary and tertiary, but specifically what were those? What are those? That's what I was hoping to see there. As far as evaluating the resume, there was a ton of variety in people's approaches. Some of you are pretty tough on the fictional applicant, but I like to see the high standards there. Okay. As far as a style guide, please use whatever style guide, MLA, APA, or others that are appropriate in the engineering fields, for instance. Whatever the most common style guide in your field is, that's what I would suggest using for these projects, as it'll be most beneficial for you and you're most familiar with it. Okay, that's pretty much it for now. Don't need to overburden you with a long video. Have a good weekend. Right now you're all probably hard at work on the rough draft of the job application packet. But other than that, enjoy the long Martin Luther King Day weekend, and I'll be speaking to you soon.